Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our leather and suede services and find it useful.
Sudsies Leather and Suede Cleaning Service is an artisanal process that preserves the natural beauty and integrity of your cherished garments. By combining specialized techniques with eco-friendly products, Sudsies carefully cleans and rejuvenates all of your fine leather and suede. Leather jackets, suede coats, and other luxury items are delivered refreshed and supple. Expert leather and suede craftsmen meticulously attend to every detail, ensuring each piece retains its softness, color, unique texture, and comfortable wearability. With a commitment to excellence since 1996, Sudsies guarantee a service that not only protects, but enhances the longevity and elegance of your leather and suede pieces.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.